Hello all. So in today's class we will look at how to sketch the graph of a function with radical. So you have a function with exponent 2 by 3 here. Let us see how to find the graph for this. ഇത് നമ്മൾ last classൽ കണ്ടു. When you have a vertical tangent line or cusp, we will see how to draw the graph. So we obtain a vertical tangent line in this case. നമ്മൾ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് സ്ലോപ്പ് ഇൻഫിനിറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വരും. Okay, so let us first check all the regular things. So let us start with symmetry. So if you take f of minus x, so that is not equal to f of x, or f of minus x is not equal to minus of f of x, so therefore it is not symmetrical. And again let us look the intercepts. Now when you take the intercept, so let us find the x-intercepts first. So when you take y equal to 0, so that gives x equal to 4. So that is an intercept. And when x is equal to 0, so you have y equal to minus 4 raised to 2 by 3. So that will give cube root of 16 varum. So can approximately take it to be 2.5. So therefore the intercepts are, so intercepts will be 4, 0 and 0, 2.5. So those are the intercepts. Inni namakku vertical asymptotes illa. You do not have a denominator here, so no vertical asymptotes. And then let us look at the end behavior. Horizontal asymptotes and behavior finite value aanengi horizontal asymptotes undav. So when you take the end behavior, so when you take limit x tends to infinity, x minus 4 whole raised to 2 by 3, so that is infinity. Aduvale limit x tends to minus infinity, x minus 4 whole raised to 2 by 3. You have power 2 here, positive ആയിരിക്കും വരിക. So that is again equal to infinity. So both end behavior both goes to infinity. So there are no horizontal asymptotes. So no horizontal asymptotes. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ ലിമിറ്റ്സ് ഫൈനൈറ്റ് ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഹൊറിസോണ്ടൽ അസിംപ്റ്റോട്ട് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ലിമിറ്റിന്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്താണ്, y ഈക്വൽ ടു L എന്ന് പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും ഹൊറിസോണ്ടൽ asymptote. Now let us look at the derivatives. So first let us find the first derivative. So first derivative will be 2 by 3 x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 appo minus 1 by 3. So that is 2 by 3 x minus 4 raised to 1 by 3. So from the derivative you can see that the function is, the derivative is not defined at 4. So at 4 infinity varum. So you will have a vertical tangent line at x equal to 4. And when you find the second derivative, f double dash of x is again minus 2 by 9 x minus 4 raised to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 varum. So that is minus 4 by 3. So that is 2 by 9 x minus 4 raised to 4 by 3. So the second derivative is also not defined at x equal to 4. So you will have a vertical tangent line. So the vertical tangent line, so there is vertical tangent line at x equal to 4. So where f dash is infinite, slope is infinite at x equal to 4. So there is a vertical tangent line at x equal to 4. And now let us look at what is a behavior. Nammal 4 types of behavior kandu. Left limit, right limit. Need limit x tends to 4 plus and limit x tends to 4 minus f dash. So 2 by 3 x minus 4 raised to 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 x minus 4 raised to 1 by 3. Need രണ്ട് ലിമിറ്റ്സും പോസിറ്റീവോ രണ്ട് ലിമിറ്റ്സ് നെഗറ്റീവോ ആണെങ്കിൽ concavity is changing. ഇനി ആ കേസിൽ നമുക്ക് vertical tangent line ഉണ്ടാവും. Then the other two cases are again you have vertical tangent line പക്ഷെ concavity അവിടെ change ആവുന്നില്ല. You will get what is called cusp there. Okay, so let us look at the behavior. Ni 4 plus എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ this will be positive, so you are getting plus infinity here and negative value. So when you are taking from the left, so when x approaches to 4 from the left, this will be negative value. Negative raised to 1 by 3 cube root എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ again that will be negative, so you are going to get negative infinity. So if you have limit x tends to x naught minus f of x equal to minus infinity, and you have limit x tends to x naught plus f of x equal to plus infinity. So this will be the shape of the cusp. ഇതായിരിക്കും concave up ആയിരിക്കും cusp ന്റെ shape വരിക. Okay, so this point will be this line will be the line x equal to 4. So this is going to be the shape of the cusp. And let us once again look at the sign change of the function. Sign change നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയില്ല, അതും കൂടി let us look at that. So with all that information we will draw the graph. So let us look at the sign of f of x. Ini f of x x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3 ആണ്, and f dash is 2 by 3 x minus 4 raised to 1 by 3 and f double dash is minus 2 by 9 x minus 4 raised to 4 by 3. So f dash ന്റെ sign, okay, so f dash is f ന്റെ sign നോക്കാം ആദ്യം. f ന്റെ sign this is x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3. അപ്പം power 2 വരുന്നുണ്ട്, so that is always positive. So you have vertical tangent line here, so ഇവിടെയും positive ആയിരിക്കും, ഇവിടെയും positive ആയിരിക്കും. So function is always positive. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ curve x axis ന്റെ മേളിലായിരിക്കും. Now let us look at the sign of f dash of x. So when you look at f dash of x, again let us take 4. f dash ന്റെ sign എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ greater than 4 ആണെങ്കിൽ positive ആയിരിക്കും, again less than 4 ആകുമ്പോൾ negative ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, so that will be the sign of f dash. So here it is going to be decreasing and here it will be increasing. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4 is a critical point. So f dash is not defined at x equal to 4. So that's a critical point. അപ്പോൾ critical point ആണ് function decreasing നിന്ന് increasingലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ decreasing നിന്ന് increasingലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ minimum ആയിരിക്കും അവിടെ എക്സിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ x equal to 4 is a local minimum. So let us write that also. So here f dash is not defined at x equal to 4. So that implies x equal to 4 is a critical point and function changes from decreasing to increasing at 4. So therefore x equal to 4 is a relative minimum by the first derivative test. So that is the conclusions from the derivative, and now let us look at the sign of f double dash. So sign of f double dash of x. So f double dash is minus 2 by 9 x minus 4 raised to 4 by 3 varum. X minus 4 raised to 4 by 3 is always positive. Above 4 positive ആയിരിക്കും, below 4 positive ആയിരിക്കും. So therefore the graph is always concave up. So it is concave up always. So that is all the required details. Ni x equal to 4 function differentiable alla, vertical tangent line ഉണ്ട്. So there will be the cusp at x equal to 4. അപ്പോൾ കസ്പിന്റെ ഷേപ്പ് കോൺകേവ് അപ്പ് ആയിരിക്കും, ആൻഡ് okay, it is above the x-axis. So those are the conclusions, and let us draw the graph. Okay. So let us mark the points. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 1, 2, 3. And let us draw the intercepts first. Intercepts എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു intercept 4, 0 ആണ്, and the other intercept is 0, 2.5. Okay. ഇനി x equal to 4 ല് vertical tangent line ഉണ്ട്. So let me now ഈ പോയിന്റ് നമുക്ക് കസ്പും വരും. Okay, so concave up ആണ് ഗ്രാഫ്. And it will go to infinity on both sides. ഇത് increase ചെയ്ത് പോവാണ് കാരണം നമ്മുടെ end behavior infinity ആണ്. So therefore you have a relative minimum at 4. Graph completely concave up ആണ്. Then minus infinity to 4, it is decreasing. 4 to infinity, it is decreasing, and it has a cusp at x equal to 4 and is intersecting at these 2 points on the axis. So this is the required graph.